How to use multiple wallpapers on iPhone. If you want to use multiple wallpapers on iPhone, all you have to do is first of all launch the settings application. Once you launch the settings app, this is the kind of interface that you will see. From here you want to simply scroll and look for the wallpaper option from here. As in when you tap on the wallpaper option, tap on Add New Wallpaper, then go to Photo Shuffle. From Photo Shuffle you can choose any of the featured wallpapers, or you can choose to select the photos manually, and once you've selected the photos manually, you will then be able to go ahead and then use multiple wallpapers. Similarly, you can use other suggested wallpapers that you'll be able to find under the suggested tab. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.